Hello guys, so welcome to the automationtesthub.com. So in previous class we have learned about loops, variables and some various data types. So in today's class we will try to explain some conditional statements which we are using in Java very frequently. So first statement is if else statement and another is switch statement. How it works we will understand with the use of example. Okay, so open your Eclipse first. Okay, similarly create the one project. I have already created a variable project over here, and under src folder create a one class. Write down the name of that class as Java condition. Select this public static void main string args. Okay, click on the finish button. Delete these comments. Okay guys, so how if and if else statement works, let me try to explain you with the example. And so I'm creating one integer type variable and taking the integer value on that variable. So int first number equals to 10, second number equals to 20 if first number is greater than second number. Yes, so first number is greater. So what is going on this program? Just I have declared two variables. The first variable is first number and another one is second number, and the value of first number variable is 10 and the value of second number is 20. So in if statement I have provided the condition. This is the condition which are going to check whenever code comes into the if. So the condition is first number is greater than second number, means like 10 is greater than 20. Okay, and if this condition is matched, then this block code will be executed. So let me execute this particular code and check what will be the output. Output is null because the condition is not matched. Okay, the condition is not matched because first number is less than second number, it's not greater than. So the whatever the statement is written in this particular block, it will not be executed because condition is not matched. Okay, if I'll change this first number as 30, then we have to execute this particular code, then we have to check what will be the output. Okay, then this particular block code will be executed. Means 30 is greater than 20, and then we have to be print this statement, the first number is greater. So this is the syntax of if statement. Okay, like first of all, the code will check the conditions. If condition is matched, then block code will be executed. Okay, again I have to change this. Like if we want to print some statements when this particular condition is not matched, then how we have to be write that statement. Then for that purpose we have to be use else syntax over here. Else, SYSO, second number is greater. Now I have to execute this particular code. Then second number is greater. Like if this particular condition is not matched, then code program will execute the code under the else statement. So this is the use of if and else. So like if I have to change some values of variable, then we have to check one condition also. If I'll put up over here 20, okay, now the value is the same, and if I'll execute the same program, then what will be the output? Second number is greater. But this is the wrong output because both the values are equal. So in else I have not provided any conditions. So if first condition, if the condition in if condition is not matched, then definitely it will execute the code under the else statement. So we have to be provide a conditions over else also. So how we will provide the condition? So write down here else if, okay, and provide the condition. And in else we have to write the code as SYSO, both the values are equal. Okay, now I have to execute the program and check what will be the output. So the output is both the values are equal. It means whenever this program will execute, it will check the first conditions under the if statement, like first underscore number is greater than second number. If it's not met, then the condition jumps into the else if. Then it will check the condition second number is greater than first number. No, the condition is not met, then it will jump to the else statement. And whatever the else statement, the else statement is both the values are equal. So the same value is displaying in the console. So this is the use of if else statement in the Java. Okay guys, so at your home just try a lot of examples with if and else to get the confidence. So now the next topic is switch statement. Okay, so how we can use a switch statement in Java. So let me explain. Create a new class, switch. Over here, click on the finish button. Switch class has been created. So let me explain, first of all let me explain the syntax of switch. So what is the syntax of switch? Switch, oh sorry, Java is a case sensitive, so 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 basically this is the syntax of switch statement. Like whatever the control statement we we get in switch, so on the basis of that we execute the block statement under the cases. So don't confuse guys, I will explain you with the example how this switch statement it will work. So let me take one example. Okay, like delete this line. Okay, and switch enter day equals to 7. Okay, and switch day, and we have to write down some cases over here. Case, and for case 1 we have to write the syntax. Monday. Okay, for case 2 we have to write another YSO is Tuesday. Similarly we have to create 7 cases over here. So I will explain you what is this. So 2 to 3 Wednesday, 4, 4 Thursday, Thursday, and then this would be a Friday. Create more. Create two or more cases over here for 6 and for 7. Okay, so change these values, case 6 and then case 7. Okay, and the values would be Saturday, and for the 7th case the value would be Sunday. Okay, this is the code for switch statement, and for each and every case we have to use break statement over here. Break is used to come out from the loop. Okay, I will explain you what will happen if we will not use the break statement. Okay, I will explain you later. Just let me write the code first. Okay, switch is basically used when we have a lot of cases, lot of conditions need to be checked, then we can use switch statement. Okay, so right now the statement, whatever the code will use in switch, it's complete. Now let me execute this particular code and check what will be the output. So whenever this code is executed, the value of day 7 which pass in switch statement, and it will go the 7th case. Okay, case 7, and the code is written over here to print Sunday. So Sunday is printed into the console window. Okay, if I'll change its day value from 7 to 5, and then we execute this code, then output will be the Friday, because in case 5th the code is used to print Friday. So this is the use of switch statement over here. Okay, let me check if we will not use break statement over here. Okay, let me remove the break statement from the 5th case. Okay, now execute the code. Now it will execute the next case also, Friday to Saturday. So break basically used to come out from the loop. If we will not use a break, then it will not come out from the loop, and it will execute the next case also over here. So for each and every case we have to use break. So guys, now today's class is done. We have learned about if and else statement and switch statement. So guys, try to do more exercise on switch and if and else conditional statements to get the confidence. So because these are the basic things which we will use very frequently in WebDriver. So guys, we will meet you in the next class, and we will meet you in the next class. Bye bye.